Hey everyone, it's Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to control your Amazon Fire TV with your phone as a remote. So I'm just using a standard Android phone. This is a Redmi phone, I believe. So what we want to do actually is go back to the home screen here and go to the Google Play Store and type in under search Fire TV. And to get the Amazon Fire TV app, and you can just open this up, and you should be able to connect to your Amazon Fire TV. It just detected mine right away, and then I had to type in a code on my screen. So I got all these different buttons. Now you got to make sure you're connected to the same Wi-Fi network though. So you got Wi-Fi right here. So just connect to the same Wi-Fi network so it can discover your device. So whatever your Amazon Fire Stick is plugged into or connected to for the Wi-Fi is what you want to connect to on your phone. So just go down to network. So whatever it says right there, you connect to, make sure you're connected on your phone. Then you can set this up real easy. So you got a keyboard on here, you got all these different settings. You can go over to the app selection, I think right here. Is that the app selection? Let's go to close. Yep, I can start apps through here too. And that's awesome. Got the home button. So pretty much anything you need to do, you just do it from your phone. Could be a little bit quicker actually. Oh, I have the voice option right here. YouTube. Oh, I have to give it permission first. Go to YouTube. YouTube. Okay, so that might work for you guys better than what it does for me. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.